Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 20th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some more of the day, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin, where we are actually seeing some declines now. So we didn't have any sell signals at the top, but we are seeing a fail, and we're back testing the 50 DMA at the moment at 9036. 90396 rather, and if that breaks, then we've got a shot at breaking the flag support, which I've got down here in about the 88,800 area, I think. So has the flag broken down? No. Is this performing as expected? Yes. This is the flag I drew a couple of weeks ago, and this is it breaking up slightly over it, and that is looks like a bearish overthrow. When we see a break below this rising support trend line here, then the flag will be breaking down with a target at a retest of the November low at 80.6k. Has it been a long, boring wait for this to happen? Yes. Has it gone pretty much to plan? Yes. So looking at the Solana chart, again, seeing a nice decline here. On the daily chart, we actually had an RSI 5 sell signal brewing last week, and it fixed and made target over the weekend. We've gone through the daily middle band, and we're getting towards the daily lower band here. We are looking pretty nice. In terms of the setup here, this wasn't a bear flag. This was a double bottom. I was looking for it to break slightly over the double bottom resistance, which is actually at 146.91, and then failed there, and it's failed, and it's down 20 handles and only has another 12 to go and retest the low. So that is all going to plan. In terms of Ethereum, again, weakness. We've broken below the daily middle band. We're testing the 50 DMA. We haven't broken below the flag support yet, although the flag in this case looks like a triangle. I've drawn in some arrows of how this might look. As it performs, I'm thinking it would come down here into about the 2950 area. Then we'd see a bit of a rally, but it wouldn't get back up to triangle resistance. This would be an idealized way that the triangle would break out. Then we would break down with a target at a retest of 2621, and then I'd be looking for it to move on to the head and shoulder target in the 2050 area. Hey Doug, how's it going, mate? All right, so basically, in summary, Bitcoin, slightly below the daily middle band at the moment. I've got that at 92,466, and we are testing the 50 DMA as support. We're also testing the 50 DMA support on Ethereum. We haven't broken below flag support yet, but if we can get through the 50 DMA, that would be the obvious next target. When we break below this trend line here, currently at about the 88,800 area, then that would be the flag breaking down with the obvious target at a retest of 80.6k, and possible continuation down to test the biggest support level at a retest of 6 in the 74.4k area. Looking at Solana, I was looking here for this double bottom to break up and fail. The break was over 146.91, sort of slight break up, and we've seen the fail. We've come down 20 handles. We've got another 12 to go to get down to the retest of 116.85. I'd be leaning towards seeing a continuation down towards the open head and shoulder target, which is at a retest of this low here at 95.24. On Ethereum, when that breaks down below the triangle support, and I've drawn in a little idealized path of how a triangle would form, that would be A, B, C, D, partial wave E, and then break down. And that would get us first down into the retest of this low here at 26.21. And then I'm leaning towards seeing continuation down towards the head and shoulder target in the 2050 area. So at the moment, it's been a long, slow wait, but at the moment, that's all going pretty much as planned. So, hoping that continues, and we will see how it goes. But at the moment, this is all following the path, so everything is looking good. All right, cool. In that case, do we have any questions today, Doug? Yeah, no worries, mate. Anyway, I'll just recap for you quickly. So, all right, cool. In that case, everyone take care. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. All right, cheers.